So we have one more puzzle today with us, and here we need to find the parking space number of the car. This car is there and we need to find the parking space number. So what are the other parking space numbers that are given to us? That is 16, 6, 68, 88 and 98. So what do people start with? They start looking for a pattern, number pattern like this. So 16 is there, they'll subtract -10, then 68 is there, right? So they'll add 62 here and they'll try to look for a pattern like +20. Not only the difference or addition thing, they'll start looking for other patterns as well in terms of numbers. But please understand, when we are looking at a puzzle, it is not necessary if numbers are given that it has to be something related to maths. Yes, it is not necessary that it is related to maths. It is something related to common sense as well. Yes, puzzles are more of related to common sense than numbers. So what is the common sense? Let's see. We have this parking lot. Let's look at this parking lot upside down. Yes, let's look at this parking lot upside down like this. Now, what are the numbers with us? Numbers are 86, 88, 89, 90, and 91. Correct? Uh, just ignore this one. This, if you write 1 in normal writing, it is like this. So we have typed it. So it is looking like this. So what is the missing number? 86, we have 88, 89, 90, 91. Definitely this is 87. Yes. So parking space number is 87. This will be our answer.